in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour? Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour, it's me.
Oh my God!
Friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it!
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't Kansas neither.
Something's
Now,
very wrong here.
do me a favor, doll.
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. My leaves are dry. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and get me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be
You
nice.
just want to, right?
She'll do, I'll drink it straight.
Wrenches are dry.
Don't need no glass and no wine.
I'll get the can.
Don't need no twist of line.
Now.
And now it's supper time. Relax, darling. Yeah. Bring it gently, twist it, go right outside. Audrey! No! Get her! Get her!
Audrey, are you alright?
Yes. Oh. No.
Audrey, please don't die. I need you.
You know, the plant said the strangest thing just now. It said that Ulrich and Mr. Mushnick were already inside.
It's true. I killed them and I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong. And so famous.
I've done terrible things, but never to you, Audrey. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so that it can live and bring you all the wonderful things you deserve.
You don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give you. And if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way,